It's mighty cold.
All right, so under the name Andrydra Concepts, they are the husband and wife duo with cute bags you should gift someone special this season. Founder, Andrydra
Bro.
I'll say it right. Andrydra Brown joins us now. Morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Yes, morning.
Where did this idea come from?
Well, Andrydra Concept is a family business, wife and husband. And it really came about as a result of looking for the perfect wedding souvenir before we got married. So we decided to feature some small, little makeup pouches for the females. And based on the response, we realized that it was a good product. So we decided to do some extensive research and some type of bags that we could make that is practical, that is not so time consuming. And then we decided to make some samples and then put it in the market and see the response would be. And it was phenomenal.
The response was good.
Yes.
You get the material and stuff from? It's local material?
Yes, all of them is local material.
You make these yourself or you get them made?
No, we make them ourselves.
Right.
We actually prepare the material from scratch, like putting the lining, the pellants, and so forth that we use to structure the bag and so forth.
And this is what you do, or you have other things that you sell, or just the bags with?
Well, I sell bags.
Okay.
My main focus is makeup bags and clutches.
Makeup bags?
And clutches.
Which would suggest that you don't have nothing for I&I?
Yes.
Oh, you have something
Yes.
for I&I?
When you look right here,
Yeah.
this is a good traveling set that you can, men that are on the go regularly, you can use this to store some of your colognes, roll-ons,
like how I
so
am
forth.
on the go regularly.
Yes.
All right, since you start there, come back around here, and you don't have to lift them up. Our
Yes.
cameramen will get them. Well, I'm going to lift up one. This one was the one he just looked at just now. So this is for the man.
Yes.
Just this on the table for men?
Yes.
All right, so everything else on the table. So right here is for the male, and all of these now. So, yeah, but wait, me too, you know, this is our bag.
This is the purpose for this one, is a swim bag. Like
It's a
after
swim bag.
Yes. So after you go in the water,
So
you can put
the,
this.
the wet stuff.
Yes.
And it not going to seep through because
Yes.
inside, yes,
Yes.
man. So inside have a little plastic thing.
Yes.
Yeah, me like it.
And this one is a little bit different because this is a form of canvas material.
So that
bag
can't take the wet.
It can take the wet as well. It's a beach bag as well.
Is that beach bag?
Yes.
Let me see the inside. But this makes sense.
Yes.
No, but
Nicely
this don't have the
finished.
plastic thing inside.
No.
But because of the materials,
Yes.
it won't seep through.
Yes.
Beautiful.
And it is, as you can see, if you look at this product now,
You can lift up that. Just hold it so the cameraman can see it. Yeah.
this line right through,
Right.
perfect finish,
Right.
no rough edge, so excellent inside.
Yes, man. Oh, that is the inside.
Yes,
Okay. So this is the inside
of this bag.
of this bag. Andrydra, you're not rap, man. This is nice. Very neatly done, truth be told. How much like for something like one of these? Like, give me an idea.
Well, we normally sell them in sets. If you look at this one,
Which one here?
to the far
This
corner,
one here?
you will sell them in set, and the price range are very good. Like
Yeah.
for that one, it's for 2,400.
This one. So what is the set? Is just the big one and the small one?
Yes.
Just that?
Yes.
Okay.
The purpose for this one
For this
is
little
to
one here.
all in ladies unmentionables. Unmentionables. So ladies, you can check out that feature of that bag as well.
Me find out from Simone where unmentionable mean afterwards. But so this is for the unmentionable.
Yes.
Which means folks we can mention. We're in there. It's a very simple thing. All right. What else? So all of them have a little small bag
Yes.
with the big one.
Yes,
So
for
all
big.
of them is for the unmentionable.
Yes, the smaller size.
Me don't know. That's what I say. Yeah, but what tell me after. Man have unmentionable thing. Or we,
No.
We don't have nothing
Yes,
unmentionable. We can mention everything.
And as you can see to the far card as well,
Yeah.
these ones, you can put your makeup brushes in there
Yeah.
and small lipstick to organize your bag properly.
It's beautifully done. They're very well made. I don't. I'll find out about the unmentionable. And me can mention everything. So.
Yes.
But I like, and again, if you look at it, this is on the inside, and it's beautifully done. Fantastic. You have a physical space where you sell these?
Well, we have place that we really store those products, like for example, stores
Where?
such as Monarch Pharmacies,
Beautiful.
Beauty Supermarket, Cuciments.
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 Where Cuciment there?
Well, Cuciments is in
Is it
Mall Plaza.
Yeah,
Yes.
beautiful. I like that. Even though there's one thing here for I, but I like that. All right, the founder of Andrydra Concepts and Turan Brown. We'll soon find out what Ann mentioned. Don't worry, you know me already. Me is a detective, I'll find it out. We'll soon come back, all right? Stay with us.